Hey, it's Justin of Severed Books, and I'm showing you guys the Coven Box today. This is the Sickest Witch Coven Box. Very cool. We're going to be launching this in October for the kind of celebrating like the Sickest Witch release tour, because everything is going to be shipping very soon. The core rule book, blood property, the adventure module, the GM screen, all the stuff, the player's guide. So to keep the spooky season ball rolling, we got the Coven Box that is coming out, and this is a prototype. Just want to show off the contents and what you're going to be getting in this thing. So I'm not gonna open it up, but what you'll get, I guess, to back up, the bottom of the box is going to be lined with black felt, so it'll be a dice tray. I figured, like, why not spend a little bit of extra money, and the bottom will turn into a cool dice tray. Actually, I'll show you, because like that, the sides all have the stained salt crystals on the sides, and this is white, unfortunately, for the prototype, but it'll be black in production with the black felt on the bottom, so you can just roll dice in there. Kind of a cool bonus for the box. But let's dive into all the components. So the core product really is all of the cards that you're going to be getting. So everyone knows in Sickest Witch there's a lot of spells, and on your character sheet it's fairly easy to keep track of them, but I figured creating some cards would also be fun and easy to do. So there's all the spells from the core rulebook from level 1 through 8, and I'll show you. So here's level 8. So you get the name of the spell, how much it costs to cast in magic points, the obstacle difficulty when you're rolling, and then also how to make the spell. So this one you only need a human hand to imbue into making the spell. So I imagine when you have this next to your character sheet, if you're using it and you lose it, you would, just in like Magic the Gathering, you would turn it, and then it would be not active anymore. And when it's active again, you turn it up. So here, let's see, are all the spell cards that you'll be getting. I believe there's 80 something, I can't remember, but very cool, especially if like you're running a game at a con or something like that, and you can just like pass out the cards randomly to players. You're like, oh hey, here's your spell, nice and easy. Or if you're a player and you're running a long campaign, I feel like having these are super handy. Additionally, there are runes in the game, so we've added all of the rune cards. They're here with all new art. So is that a liver? Yes, liver. And let's see, what's this one? The tongue. That was really fun to draw. Kind of gross. So you get rune cards. And then as another bonus, there are, let's see, I think there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 8 kind of player illustration cards. So you could give these out to players, or if you're a player, you can just use one yourself, so you have a good idea of maybe what you look like. Just like really fun extra stuff to have. So that's the big card deck that comes in the Coven Box. And then additionally, there's a dice bag with the logo on the front. Nice screen printed. Feels pretty good. And then you get 1 condition die. This is a D6, obviously, with the 6 conditions on them. Let's see. Poisoned, crippled, dazed, prone, bleeding, and demoralized. So this is just a fun reference to have on your character sheet, so you know if you have a condition or not. You can just have it face up. Bam. On top of that, you get a bunch of orange dice. They I want to say it's not really a custom dice set. I chose the color, but there's no like custom printing on the dice. But it does come with this big matching custom die. So that is the Coven Box. And every person that pledges for the Coven Box will also get a free exclusive Wood Mini, and I'm not sure what other stretch goals we're going to have, but I always try to make the campaign fun for everybody. I think the price for the Coven Box, 24, 22. I can't remember exactly what I settled on, but in the mid 20 range for this big thing. So you get the custom dice bag, big card deck, all together in the box. Also with the Coven Box Kickstarter, there's going to be Hayride, the adventure module, the zine. So you can back for both if you want. Hayride came out from Workborg initially, but I converted it for the new system, tweaked the art, added some new stuff. So it's, I feel like if you own Sickest Witch, the core rulebook, you're going to want the Hayride module. So look for it launching soon, October. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your support. It means the world to me. And it's spooky season. I can feel it out there through the window, my only basement window. Talk to you soon.